Hey, what's up, guys? I know it's been a long time, but I just subscribed to Nature Box. This is my first Nature Box, so I'm not sure if this one is for May or June. I'm not sure, so let's open this up. This is just one of the boxes that I've subscribed for. Um, Another box I subscribed for was Ipsy. I know it was called My Glam before, but I'm excited about that. I was on the waiting list for like maybe 2 days, but when that box come, I will definitely show you what's inside. But for now, we're gonna do the nature box, and it comes with this card. It says, "Please pardon our crumbs." Um, okay, this is about the design of the bags. They changed the design of the bags. And this is what I have in the box. They give you a card of what's inside. Okay, so I'm still not sure if this is for May or June. But today is May 28th. So I'm not sure if this is supposed to be the June one, but anyway, so the first one I got was the banana bread granola. This is what it looks like. The bag feels kind of like paper. I don't know, it really looks good. I'm not gonna taste it because I just finished eating, but this is the banana granola. The next is the lemon meringue waffle. That's what it looks like. The next one is the Taj Mahal Snap Mix. I think this is the box from May because I seen people videos and they had the same thing in their box, so I'm thinking this is the May box. This is the Italian Bristol pretzel. Little pretzels in there. It's a decent size. This one has, the serving is 9 pieces. The serving per container is 4.5. So they give you a decent amount. And the last thing I got was whole wheat raspberry fig bars. Now, I'm allergic to raspberries, so my boyfriend might enjoy these. It sucks that I can't try it, but I'll see what he thinks about these. So that's it. The subscription, I think it was around like 20 something dollars. It's $20 a month. I did sign up for the summer travel box that should be coming soon. It shipped like a day ago. It shipped, so I should be getting that next month. So when that comes, I will share it with you guys. Other than that, that's about it. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.